Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cleaning wisdom is probably one of the most essential aspects of maintaining a healthy and pleasant living environment, transforming mundane chores into satisfying routines that contribute to overall well-being and peace of mind, making your home a sanctuary of cleanliness and order. Number 5. Xbox One Controller Repair Kit. This is a replacement kit for your Xbox One controller joysticks and conductive rubber. It's designed to fix common issues like stick drift and unresponsive controls. Please note that installing this kit requires skilled soldering and desoldering. We recommend professional guidance for assembly to avoid damaging your controller. This kit is compatible with Xbox One wired and wireless controllers. The conductive rubber is specifically for the original Xbox One controller. Crafted from premium, durable materials, these replacement parts are built to last. They are precision designed for a perfect fit. The package includes everything you need for the repair, such as analog joysticks, conductive rubber, thumbstick caps, and all necessary tools for disassembly and assembly. Restore your controller to its optimal performance. Say goodbye to frustrating gameplay issues and enjoy a seamless gaming experience again. What we like. This kit is designed for those who are comfortable with intricate repairs. If your Xbox One controller suffers from stick drift or other joystick malfunctions, and you have the necessary soldering skills or access to professional help, this is the solution. It offers a comprehensive set of tools and parts to bring your controller back to life. What people say. The product is very effective in cleaning. It has a user-friendly design that makes cleaning easy. The cleaning power is impressive, tackling tough stains with ease. Number 4. Mental mess, 5 steps to reduce anxiety and stress. Feeling bogged down by daily stress and anxiety? It's time to take control of your mental well-being. This guide offers a clear path forward. Discover practical, science-backed strategies designed to help you manage anxiety and reduce toxic thought patterns. These methods are proven to work. Learn how to reframe your thoughts and cultivate a more positive mindset. Optimize your brain health for a happier, healthier life. We break down complex concepts into 5 easy-to-follow steps. You can start implementing these changes immediately for noticeable results. Invest in your mental wellness and experience a significant improvement in your overall quality of life. It's time to clean up your mental mess. What we like. If you're struggling with overwhelming stress, anxiety, or negative thought patterns, this book offers a clear path to mental clarity. It provides actionable, science-backed steps to help you regain control of your thoughts and improve your overall well-being. Consider this if you're looking for practical strategies to enhance your mental health. What people say. The product is easy to use and works effectively. I love the design of this product, it's very sleek and modern. The features are well thought out and enhance the user experience. Number 3. Wisekoti Hair Drain Cleaner 3-Pack. Are you struggling with slow-draining sinks and tubs? Clogged drains can be a real hassle in any home. We offer an effective solution to tackle those stubborn clogs. Our tools are designed to reach deep and remove blockages easily. This versatile 20-inch snake tool is perfect for reaching deep into your pipes. It's ideal for clearing hair and debris from tubs, showers, and kitchen sinks. Get a convenient 3-pack to keep your drains clear for longer. You'll have a tool ready whenever you need it. We've also included 3 pairs of free disposable gloves. This ensures a clean and hygienic experience while you clear your drains. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs and hello to free-flowing drains. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain your plumbing. What we like. For those persistent clogs in your tubs, showers, or kitchen sinks, these drain cleaners are a lifesaver. They are designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly remove hair and debris without harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and affordable solution to common plumbing issues, this 3-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is easy to use and effective. It has a sleek design that looks good in any room. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 2. Good Housekeeping Simple Organizing Wisdom Volume 3. Are you struggling to keep your home tidy? Do you feel overwhelmed by clutter? This guide offers practical solutions to help you reclaim your space. Discover over 500 simple and effective methods to tackle clutter. These quick fixes are designed to fit into your busy life, making organization effortless. This is the third volume in the Simple Wisdom series, focusing on practical organizing tips. It provides straightforward advice for a more peaceful living environment. Learn how to transform your home into an organized sanctuary. These easy-to-follow techniques will help you maintain a clutter-free lifestyle with minimal effort. Gain the wisdom you need for long-term organization success. It's time to enjoy a cleaner, more serene home with these proven strategies. What we like. If your home feels overwhelmed by clutter and you're seeking straightforward ways to bring order, this guide is for you. It offers a vast collection of easy-to-implement tips to declutter any space efficiently. Choose this if you want practical, no-fuss solutions for a more organized living environment. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love the design and features of this item. The functionality is excellent and it's very easy to use. Number 1. Old-time country wisdom and lore. Step back in time and reconnect with the enduring wisdom of our ancestors. Learn thousands of practical skills for a simpler, more fulfilling life. This collection is your guide to mastering traditional techniques for your home. Embrace a lifestyle rooted in self-sufficiency and time-honored knowledge. Discover the profound satisfaction that comes from simple living. Our resource offers a wealth of lore to enrich your everyday experiences. Explore an extensive library of practical skills, passed down through generations. These are the methods that have sustained families for centuries. Bring the charm and practicality of country living into your modern world. It's time to learn the lore that truly matters for your hearth and home. What we like. This resource is perfect for anyone drawn to the self-sufficiency and charm of traditional living. If you appreciate learning time-tested skills for managing your home and hearth, from cooking to crafting, this book is an invaluable companion. Embrace a simpler way of life with its extensive collection of time-honored wisdom. What people say. The product is very effective and easy to use. It has a sleek design that looks great in any kitchen. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several weeks on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.